In Sankari Prasad versus Union of India, AIR 1951, SC 458. The main controversy was whether Article 13 subsection 2 of the Constitution created a limitation on the power of Parliament to amend the fundamental rights. Since Article 368 did not provide any exception, the Supreme Court maintained both the provisions and held that the Constitution, including fundamental rights, can be amended by Parliament under Article 368 because the power to amend is a sovereign power, but Parliament cannot take away or abridge the fundamental rights by exercising its legislative authority. This theory of sovereign power of Parliament to amend the fundamental rights was also accepted by Gajendra Gadkar CJ in Sajjan Singh versus State of Rajasthan. In this case, apart from the amending power of the Parliament, the Supreme Court pointed out the correlation between the fundamental rights and the directing principle of a state policy. Referring to the writings of G. Austin Gajendra Gadkar CJ, said that Chapter 3 and 4 are consigns of the Constitution, and in cases of conflicts, the court should endeavor to maintain both of them by applying the principle of harmonious construction. This was, however, not accepted by Subha Rao CJ in Golaknath versus State of Punjab. He treated the fundamental rights as natural rights and refused to accept the contention of the government that the Constitution had been amended to implement the directive principles of state policy so as to establish a socialistic pattern of society. In relation to the amending power of the Parliament also, Subho Rao CJ took a rigid view and held that the parliamentary power to amend the Constitution comes under Article 248 and Entry 97 of the Union List in the 7th schedule, and consequently in a legislative power controlled by Article 13 subsection 2. When the Constitution 24th Amendment Act 1971 was passed, the controversy created in Golaknath's case was removed, and in Kesav Nanda Bharti versus State of Kerala, AIR 1973 SC 1461, Sikri, CJ upheld the theories propagated by Sastri J and Gajendra Gadkar CJ in Sankari Prasad's and Sajjan Singh's cases respectively. The Supreme Court evolved the concept of basic feature theory by saying that Parliament has sovereign power to amend any of the provisions of the Constitution, but no amendment can be permitted which destroys the basic feature of the Constitution. Thus, the Supreme Court reserved its power of judicial review so as to harmonize the interest of the people of India as a whole and the power enjoyed by the legislators, the part holding by Article 31 subsection C, 31C, inserted by the Constitution 25th Amendment Act 1971 also indicates that the court established a fair balance between the individual interest and the welfare of the society.